Today, as my second video, because my first video was a comic, today we are just doing a reaction video. We are going to be reacting to my friend Chicken Meade's first video. I'll leave my theme song in the description. Like always, I'll leave my theme song in the description if you want to listen to that. And then I will definitely leave Chicken Meade's channel in the description. And yeah, subscribe to Chicken Meade, like her videos, notify her, because she's awesome. This is her first video, and it's just cringy, this one. But look, I'll show you. She has a ton of other videos. She has Minecraft, FIFA, What Should I Do, How to Do Floss, Granny, Special Horror for 10 subs, reacting to the worst videos, my new intro, and reacting to Avengers, the Marvel Bunch. This is just her first video. It's cringy. I haven't watched it, but she's just said, oh yeah, it's really... No, that's not how she talks. She's just said, yeah, it's cringy. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Pop! Okay. Okay, hello, Jazz.
Hey guys, I made a new channel and I'm nearly 10. If you think...
Yeah, she had the coughs when she made this video.
I'm not, because I'm nearly 10, when I'm nearly 10, and subscribe to Dan D, which is Daniel.
No.
Daniel's new channel, Gorgeous Movies, Superhero Kids, and
Gibster?
So,
maybe that's his name.
I'll give you a thumbs up for your channel too. Why you do that?
Oh, yes! I'm going nations deep.
We're gonna do whatever you want. Like, stuff.
Oh, yes, Jaden. Yes, Jaden. I didn't know Jaden would be in this video. Jaden. Gaming.
Entertainment.
And entertainment.
Lego
Lego
building.
building.
What's it called? Minecraft. Not play Minecraft. And behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
If you
I do bloopers. Copy her. Actually, she made her channel before I made mine.
Minecraft in the next video, so check it out.
Yeah, she did. She did.
Just subscribe to my channel and press and slap that notification.
Da 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 da.
I could do a giveaway.
I could do a giveaway. Want an army section? Just make an incision. Right.
I'm gonna do a giveaway of my fidget spinners. There's gonna be a yellow.
No good idea, Jazz.
So, the yellow one it can spin for ages, but the green one can spin more. So just write down what is the name of. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so move back.
Jaden, move back, you little man.
This is not a giveaway, and you have to write what is the name, and then you write the name beside it. So you have to write the Power Rangers name. And
4 minutes is going on forever.
Because it's a bit hard. So
why do I have to watch you talk, Jasmine?
So this is Jake.
Why do you do this to me?
That's the Fire Girl.
I'm gonna do a collab with Jasmine soon. It'd be fun.
That's the twins. These two kids. That's the twins. That's Emma. And then that's the fire. Okay, so right. What's the name for this Power Rangers movie? And write their names down, and then you might get a fidget spinner.
We might get a fidget spinner.
And smash that like button.
I'm gonna definitely.
The two people that does it first.
No, Jaden just walks towards me and is like,
if it's a girl,
smash that like button.
And this is Noah.
Noah.
Oh yeah, no, I forgot about
Yeah, you forgot about Noah, Jaden, Smart, and
This is the
Jasmine.
I'll give you. And if I buy a new Power Rangers
Jasmine.
and I still got this one, I might give this one. Miss Peregrine is a bit scary because when the Victor part is like boom. It's like a big
Boom.
Look, guys, watch this. Heyo, I'm Victor. Do you know what? Do you want to know what killed me? Do you know what killed me? That's just scary.
Wait, did she just say that's just gay? Look, listen.
Do you want to know what killed me? Do you know what killed me? That's just scary.
Jasmine, comment in this video what you freaking said. Jasmine can do that as well. You guys can comment what you think she said. I vote for gay. Alright, well, like, subscribe, slap notification so you'll never miss an upload. And as always, stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.